I'll tell you a story about Kasha. I thought Kasha was magic. I thought only bubbes could make Kasha. I didn't know that it was like just regular food. I really believed it because, you know, you pour this boiling water to make Kasha, and she was so afraid we would get burnt that she would make all of us like leave the kitchen, God forbid. And so we thought, at least I thought, it must be magic. The first time I made Kasha as a young bride, I cried because I realized I could make Kasha. I thought only Bubby could make Kasha. And I was like, oh no, it's not magic. But I was sure, I was positive. But maybe my grandchildren will think it's magic too.